Hi everyone, welcome to WebTech Production. In this part of CSS tutorial, I will talk about border property of CSS box model. If you watch this video till the end, then you will learn for what purpose border property is used, how to use border property, how to change border color of HTML element, and finally you will learn how to change border style. So first let us see. In fact, border property is used for drawing line around HTML element. As you can see in this example, web browser displayed two paragraphs. Web browser displayed first paragraph without border, but it displayed second paragraph with border. That is because in second paragraph I have used border property. So finally we can say that border property is used for drawing line around HTML element. Now let us see. But before starting using border property, let us create two paragraph element. Let us change title of document to now let us create two paragraph. Now let us save the file and see we could create two paragraph element or not. Go to file, select on save command. As you can see we could create two paragraph elements successfully. Now let us see how to use border property. To use border property we need to use CSS. To use CSS we need to go to his section and use style tag. Now let us select second paragraph by its ID. Second paragraph does not have any ID, so let us set ID to second paragraph. ID. Let us set the value of ID to P2. Now let us select second paragraph by its ID, which is P2. Type opening and closing curly braces. Now let us use border property. Let us set the value of border property to 2 pixel solid black. Put semicolon at the end. Now let us save the file and see we could draw a line around second paragraph element or not. Go to file, select on save command. As you can see we could draw a line around second paragraph element successfully. Now if you want to draw a line only on top of paragraph element or only on bottom of paragraph element, that is not big deal, you can do it too. For that we need to change border property with border top or border bottom property. Border dash top. Now let us save the file and see how web browser displays second paragraph element. Go to file, select on save command. As you can see web browser draw line only on top of second paragraph element. If you want to draw a line to left or right side of paragraph element, you can do it too. For that we need to change border top property with border right or border left property. Now let us see. To change border color we need to use border color property. Let us use border color property. Let us set the value of color property to our favorite color name. In our case let us type red. Put semicolon at the end. Now let us save the file and see we could change the border of color to red or not. Go to file, select on save command. Now let us refresh the page. As you can see the color of border is changed to red. Now let us see. To change border style we need to use border style property. Let us use border style property. Border style property can hold these values. Let us select dotted put semicolon at the end. Now let us save the file and see how we browser displays the style of second paragraph element. Go to File, select on Save Command. As you can see, we browser displayed the border of second paragraph element and dotted style. Now let us see what we have learned in this video. In this video, we have learned for what purpose border property is used, how to use border property, how to change border color, and finally we have learned how to change border style. Okay guys, this was the explanation of border property. If you liked my video, please click on thumbs up button, and if you are new to my channel and didn't subscribe yet, please do subscribe now.